Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to group cells in Google Sheets, specifically how you can tidy up sections of your data like departments or projects and easily expand or collapse those details whenever you need them. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to organize your spreadsheet for better focus and faster navigation, whether you're working solo or sharing with a team. So let's dive right in. Imagine you're working with a company employee list. Maybe it looks something like this. You've got columns for department, employee name, position, and salary, and your rows are filled out with folks from sales, marketing, and engineering. It's a lot of info, and sometimes all those rows can feel a bit overwhelming. Grouping is the perfect solution for this. It lets you collapse or expand entire blocks of related data, kind of like how you might open and close folders to keep your desktop organized. Let's start with the sales department. You'll want to click and drag to select all the rows belonging to sales. In our example, that's Alice Johnson, Bob Smith, and Kathy Lee, so go ahead and select those rows, making sure you include the department header too if you've got one. The reason we carefully select all these rows is to make sure the entire team gets grouped together and you don't accidentally leave out part of your data. Once you've got those rows highlighted, head to the top menu and click View. You might notice a few options popping up. Hover over Group and then click Group Rows 2-4 or whatever rows you're working with. This step tells Google Sheets, hey, treat these as a single unit. After you do this, you'll notice a little gray icon appears to the left of the row numbers. This is your new expand and collapse control. Think of it like a drawer handle. You can now open and close that whole sales section with a simple click. Now let's try grouping using the keyboard shortcut, which is even faster and can really speed things up once you get used to it. Let's do this for the marketing department. Click and drag to highlight the rows for Daniel, Kim, Emily Brown, and Frank White. Again, make sure you include the very first row of that section so it groups cleanly. Ready? Now on your keyboard, hold down Alt and Shift, then tap the left arrow key. That's Alt plus Shift plus left arrow. Just like before, you'll see that grouping icon appear on the left side. If you're on a Mac, you might need to use Option instead of Alt, so don't worry if it's a tiny bit different. Once these groups are set up, at any time you can look over to the left of the row numbers. You'll see that little plus or minus box. Click it and boom, the whole section folds away to just a single line or opens up again to show all the details inside. This is incredibly handy if you're dealing with massive spreadsheets or sharing with colleagues because it keeps everything neat and lets people focus only on the sections they care about. And there you go, whether you're using the menus or the keyboard shortcut, grouping in Google Sheets is quick, efficient, and makes your data so much easier to wrangle. Don't worry if it feels strange at first. After practicing a couple of times, you'll be zipping through your spreadsheet in no time. Thanks for following along. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want more tips about Google Sheets, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials every week. See you next time.